hope you guys are doing well and having a good weekend. Right now it is on a Monday, Martin Luther King Day, and I'm off work, so I'm filming a video. I hope everyone's doing well, and let's get to it. I'm gonna do a tutorial using the Colourpop Baroque palette. This is one of their 9-pan palettes from the, I think it's called the Dark Blossom collection. And this collection was just absolutely stunning. Like, when I saw it online, I was like, oh my god, these are so cute and grungy. Their color stories are just to die for, but this one was my favorite that really stood out. It was very cool, kind of like grayish blue tones, and I just was living for it. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. As you can see, it's quite different. It's a lot cooler toned, very grungy, very gray-esque. It's just very nice, and there's a lot of depth and different things that you can play around with this palette. It's definitely not like an everyday palette, but it's something if you definitely want like an easy smoky eye or just something very gray tone, grayscale type look. So I'm gonna do a little tutorial with this. This is not a first impressions. I have used this before one other time, and I absolutely loved it. This is just me doing a cute little tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. My eyelids are primed using the Alter Ego eyeshadow base that I normally use to prime my eyes. I'm going to start out buffing in my crease the shade Stunner. Just taking a OMFG Cosmetics fluffy blending brush. Just go ahead and buff that out. I love the way how naturally smoky it makes your eyelid look, and it just like blends out really nice because it's just that automatically like grayscale gradient effect, and I love that. It's so cute. I really have been obsessed with like gray tones lately. How have you guys been doing? I hope you guys have been doing well. So honestly, I have not been doing very well. Some recent events have happened where my mental health is not really in a good place right now. I'm working on myself, trying to work on improving me and loving me. I don't think that I can love anybody before I love myself, and I have to do that. I have to get help because I do have a lot of problems. I'm gonna be transparent here because I don't want anybody to think I'm trying to put on a show or think I'm perfect or act like everything is fine and dandy in my life when it's not. And I've been trying very hard to be a better version of myself this year, and you know, I've been losing weight. I back in September I got bariatric surgery. I got weight loss surgery. I did a sleeve gastrectomy. My surgery was on September 4th. Since then, I have lost 70 pounds. I'm extremely happy and grateful for having the opportunity to get that surgery so early in my life, to where it can, you know, rearrange my lifestyle and I can be healthy and happy and feel confident in myself, because that's all I ever wanted, was to be able to look in a mirror and not go like, ugh, or just things like that. I want to look in the mirror and be like, I look beautiful, and that will be my goal this year. And if anyone else is having any problems with their self-image or just any mental health problems, you can always please reach out to me. I will always try to respond. My socials are always linked down below in my description box if you guys do need to talk, because I am here. I'm a mental health advocate. I always will be, and I always am looking for new people and new friends to talk to. So I just wanted to put that out there. Oh, it looks so cute so far. I love that. That's really cute. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a denser brush. This is the Peachy Queen little small blending brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lounge, which is this shade at the end, which is more of like a browner tone, as opposed to this one, which is more of like a darker navy tone. Yes, looking smoky. It's gorgeous. I think this is called Noble. I'm gonna go in with the shade Noble. Is that really pretty? It's kind of looks like it's like a peach, like taupe duochrome with a blue shift to it. I'm gonna go in with that with like a little flat brush and just put that all over my lid. I might have to go in with my finger, y'all, with this color because this one's maximum pigmentation. That is so pretty. Oh my god. I love this shade. I didn't use the shade the first time I tried this palette, so that's why I'm like freaking out over here. It is stunning. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so freaking cute, guys. I can't wait to see what this looks like. All finished up. And let's see, I'm gonna go in with Ritzy, which is the top shade here. Put that in my inner corner. And then go in with the shade Grand, which is this kind of like satin sparkly black, and drag that along my lower lash line. Oh guys, look how cute this is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this look, put on my lashes, liner, mascara, lips, and I'll be right back with the final. All right guys, I am back with the final look. What do you guys think?
Bruh.
I think it turned out really cute, really smoky, really grungy. I really like how the colors blended out really nicely together. Even though they were different shades, it just didn't muddy out. It just looked very nice and seamless together. I wanted to add a couple of details to my look as usual. I wanted to incorporate the bluer tones in this palette, so I went with the eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Turquoise Storm. I just dragged that along my lower lash line right here, and then of course over here, and kind of just did it a little bit more lower than the waterline just to add that little pop. And I used my QT mark from Colourpop. This is the heart one. I tried really hard to do it without having that weird circle around it, but this is the best I got. I just wanted to add a cute little heart accent to this cute little look. I used my, these are the Ardell double wispies. I just wanted some natural lashes for this one, and my Essence Big Lashes mascara. And to add a little bit more of a pop in the inner corner, I used my Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Take Me Higher, which is like a grayish blue, and I thought that would just go really perfectly to tie in this whole gray blue look together. So, oh yeah, and my lips. I did the Sugarpill liquid lipstick. This is the one in Vertigo, and this is a really cool toned purple color with a time-lapse glitter release. So if you tap on it a lot, like as it's drying, you get like blue reflex. It looks really cute, and I'm obsessed with these. And yeah, I just really like the way this whole look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed me. Yeah, I hope you guys just have a good week, good month, whatever, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.